Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amers. Happy birthday.
Hi, welcome down my kids, so please subscribe to my channel.
Hi everyone, welcome to Amers Kids Show. Today we are going to do Amers' birthday party. Today Amer finally turned 5. You see, Amer? Say that you turned 5.
I'm not 5.
Yep, he turned 5 today. So now we are going to celebrate his birthday. So, are you ready? Let's get started. So, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amers. Happy birthday to you. You can blow it. Good job, Amers. Good job. Good job. Now you're. So now we are going to cut the cake. So the first thing I'm going to do is take off the cars from the cake. So I'm going to put the cars right here, and then I'm going to give the knife to Amers so he can cut his first piece. So first thing, Amers, excuse me, go ahead and cut whatever side you want. So cut the corner. Good job. Now cut another corner. Good job. So now I'm going to try to help you out. So first thing I'm going to do is give you a plate. So go ahead and put all the plate. Oh, okay. So there's 2. So I'm going to put this back. And then one more time I'm going to cut it right over here. And then also here you go. So, there's your cake. Okay, go ahead, get a fork, and then I'm going to cut myself a piece. So now I get myself a plate, and then I put the piece of cake right in here. And then I keep it right over here. And then we're eating the cake. So, happy birthday, Amers. Okay, Amers. So now I'm going to give you juice. Here's your juice, Amers. Okay, you need help? I'll do this for you. It's good? Okay, here you go. Now I'm gonna put some juice for myself.
Please subscribe to my channel.
Wow, the juice tastes really nice. How do you like the cake? Is it good? Okay. You want another piece? Okay. Here's a piece for you.
Chocolate.
You like chocolate?
Yeah. everyone. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.